Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the eSignature feature in DocCreate. DocCreate is a document automation platform available through the Monday.com marketplace that is designed to help teams quickly generate professional documents. Now you can also send those documents out for signature without needing a separate tool. Let's jump in and take a look at how it works. Before we begin, please make sure you've added the DocCreate app to your board by installing it from the Monday.com marketplace. Click on the marketplace icon in the top right corner of your screen. In the search bar, type in DocCreate. Click on the blue Use App button, and you're ready to get started. Start with one of our board templates, or simply add DocCreate to your custom workspace. The next step is to add recipes to your board. Click on Integrate, and in the search bar, type in DocCreate to access all of our pre-formatted recipes. In Monday.com, recipes are simple automation. They follow a "when this happens, then do that" structure. For eSignature, click on the eSign recipe. Next, we are going to use the recipe to create and add a button and file column to your board. This will allow the button column to generate a new signature document, which will automatically be saved to your file column. An automation for the button is automatically added to your board and is visible through your Board Automations menu. Make sure to leave this automation on when using the eSignature feature. Now, click on the DocCreate Board View tab under your board title. In the DocCreate settings box, click on the purple Edit button, and we will now connect the newly created file column to your generated documents. From the drop-down, select the file column you want to use for eSignature documents and click Next. For the next step, let's configure the document template you want to send for signature. Return to the DocCreate board view, where we'll use the Template Helper tool to add placeholders to your document. Placeholders are dynamic fields that automatically pull data from your board into your template. You can choose a template from our sample library or upload your own. In the Placeholder List section of a Template Helper, you'll see all available board fields that can be inserted into your template. This allows you to automatically generate multiple documents using the unique information from each item row. You can also use the copy icon next to each placeholder to quickly copy and paste it directly into your document template. Now that you've finished configuring your document template, we'll move on to configuring your eSignature settings. In the DocCreate board view, scroll to the eSignature settings and turn on the Enable Digital Signing toggle. Make sure this setting is turned on whenever you want to use the eSignature feature. Now let's add the eSignature status column to your board. Once a document is sent, this column will update automatically so you can track its signing progress. In the Sign Document section, select the file column where you want the completed document to be stored. You can choose an existing file column on your board or create a new one specifically for final signed documents. In this next field, you can set how long the document will remain available for signing, giving your recipient a defined number of days to review and submit their signature. You can also choose the format of the final signed document. Once the signature is completed, the document can be saved as a Word file, a PDF, or both. The email content setting allows you to customize the message that is sent to your recipient in the automated signature request email. You can add a text or long text column to your board and enter your custom delivery message there. Once set up, each time a signature request is sent, the email will automatically include the content from that column in the message body. Then return to the DocCreate board view and select the text column you want to use for your email delivery message. Next, choose who should receive the signature request. In the Client Email setting, select the email column from your board that DocCreate will use as the recipient of the signature request. If your board doesn't already have an email column, go back and add one now. If you already have an email column in your board, simply select it from the drop-down, and it will be used as the recipient for the signature request. Now save your final configuration, then copy the signature placeholder that appears next to your selected email column. Add this placeholder to your document template and place it exactly where you want the recipient's signature to appear, and save your document template. Now that your template setup is complete, drag and drop it into the Upload Template section of the DocCreate Board View user interface, and save the template setting. Once saved, you are now ready to use the DocCreate eSignature feature as part of your workflow. Now let's return to your main board view and test the eSignature setup by sending a request to a test recipient. For this example, we'll use the last item on the board. Make sure all the required information that will be used as placeholders in the template document is filled in, and confirm that the recipient's email address is entered in the email column. Once everything is verified, click the button to send the eSignature request. You'll see a notification appear in the bottom right corner of your screen indicating that the eSignature request automation is running. At the same time, the eSignature status column will update to pending, confirming that the request has been sent and is now awaiting signature from your recipient. In this example, the eSignature request was sent to our test email, so you can see exactly what the recipient experiences when they receive, review, and sign the document. After clicking Sign Document, the recipient will see the fully generated document, automatically customized with data pulled from the placeholders on your board. They can then choose to draw, upload, or type their signature before submitting the signed document. Once the recipient submits their signature in their preferred format, the signature placeholder at the bottom of the document will automatically update to display their final signature. Now let's return to the main board and review the final signed document. As you can see, the File column has captured the completed document in both formats selected in the eSignature settings, Word and PDF. The eSignature status column has also updated to show that the document has been successfully signed. Finally, let's open both file formats and review the completed signed document directly from the board. As you can see, the recipient's signature has been successfully embedded into the document, completing your eSignature workflow. And that's how you can easily generate, send, track, and store signed documents using the DocCreate eSignature feature. By combining automated document creation with built-in digital signing, DocCreate helps you streamline approvals, reduce manual work, and keep your workflows moving efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore more tutorials to get the most out of DocCreate, brought to you by Flowtech Apps.